What is the fashion forecast for the next season?
So the fast forecast for 2020. So if you from Toronto, New York, Milan, and Paris right now, there are huge 80 revival. So you have a lot of bright color, but you have like also blazer that have like shoulder pads. So we have in the 80 we have like the Yves Saint Laurent that he bring out like a big shoulder pad, and it's very influenced by the Dynasty style. So it's very extravagant, very blinky. So you see a lot of that, and then the counter fashion as well. You also have a very dark subdued color. So the two of them right now it go hand in hand. The other thing is a huge thing. Jean industry is quite big in the fashion industry, and we have the before that, like last few years, we have like a low waist cutting, but now the jean it become back to the 80s style, which is like what we called it like grandpa jean. Really, they high cut, so you see like people wearing like high waist pants, and a lot of them, a lot of hipster, they buy them from the thrift store because these are actually jeans from the 80s. So that's one of the things that going on in fashion right now.